Hello everyone, my name's Dean and I work here at Family Pet Veterinary Centers, and Molly here is going to ask me some questions about rabies.
Yeah, so what are some symptoms of rabies?
Well, rabies is a virus that attacks the brain. So with the brain it can cause seizures, paralysis, aggression, fever, cloudy eyes. There are many symptoms that rabies can cause. And one of the problems with diagnosing rabies is there are a lot of other illnesses that can cause those symptoms. That's why rabies needs to be vaccinated, because that is the only way to truly prevent it.
How is rabies contracted?
Rabies is contracted through the saliva of an infected animal. Once saliva comes in contact with another mammal, it can get into their bloodstream and travel throughout the body and eventually make its way to the brain. And that is when the disease will start to affect the body.
How can we prevent an animal from contracting rabies?
Well, that's why it's really important to vaccinate for rabies. There are vaccines, and specifically here at our veterinary practice, we vaccinate cats and dogs for that, because it can be transmitted to all mammals, and vaccinating them would just be the best way to prevent it.
What are some treatments if an animal does contract rabies?
Unfortunately, there isn't really any treatments. There is a very short time period where you could give a vaccine right after an animal has been exposed to rabies, but unless that's done immediately, it's most likely going to be too late. Once rabies is in the system and affecting the brain, it is going to be fatal. That's why it is extremely important to vaccinate, not only for your pet's health, but also for your health.